Understanding 5G Roaming, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the concept of 5G roaming. For many of you using smartphones, understanding how your phone works while you travel is essential. So let's dive in and demystify this modern technology term. Before we get into 5G roaming, let's talk about what 5G actually is. 5G stands for Fifth Generation Cellular Network Technology. It's the latest and fastest mobile internet connection available, offering higher speeds and more reliable connections on smartphones and other devices. Now, let's talk about roaming. Roaming is what happens when you use your mobile phone on another operator's network, usually in a different country, because your own network provider doesn't have coverage there. Combining the two, 5G roaming is when your smartphone connects to a 5G network that isn't provided by your home mobile operator while you are abroad. It allows you to enjoy the benefits of 5G services even when you're away from home. So, why should you care about 5G roaming? It's important because it ensures that you can enjoy the fastest internet speeds while traveling without having to change your SIM card or mobile number. To use 5G roaming, you need a 5G-enabled device and a mobile plan that supports 5G. Also, you'll need to be in a country where your mobile operator has agreements with local operators for 5G services. I hope this video has helped clarify what 5G roaming is and why it's beneficial for you when you're on the go. Safe travels and happy surfing at high speeds! See you in the next video.